All right, welcome back, everyone. Today's lesson, we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting decimals. So we can have the problem, let's go 3 and 865 thousandths minus 1 and 3/10. Number one is very important that the kids start off with drawing their place value chart. A lot of them have trouble when it's 4 digits versus 2 digits or anything less to put their numbers and line up their decimals because they'll start off, if they do it without a chart, you'll see most kids do this and then subtract. And we don't want that because obviously this one is in the same place value as this 3, which is the ones place. So always start them off with the place value chart and always start off with about 5 to 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't have to be neat. And then I always put my decimal right here in the middle. I know all the way to the end is my thousandths place, so I'll put thousandths. And I like to hyphen it, so I'll put TH for the kids, and then we'll go hundredths. And then I put HTH, and then tenths, which is TH, or yep, TH. And then we go ones, which is ones, tens, T, and then hundreds. And you can always add on to it if your number goes to that value. But in this case, we do not. Right here, it's important that I notice, okay, I see a decimal here. I know this 3 goes into the ones place. So 3, then I have my decimal. This 8 now goes in this tenths place. The 6 is going in the hundredths place. 5 goes in the thousandths place. All right. I know again that this 1 is in the same place value as that 3. So it's 1 in the ones place and 3 in the tenths place. I noticed that 2 place values here don't have any digits. So I always tell the students it's important, just add some imaginary zeros there. So now we are able to add it, and I wanted to add, not subtract, add here. So we're going to do 5 plus 0, which is 5, 6 plus 0, which is 6, 8 plus 3, which is 11, carry my 1 to the ones place, put my decimal, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so now I have 5 and 165 thousandths, which is my answer for that one. If I want to subtract some decimals, then it looks like this. Let's go 2 and 81 thousandths minus, and I like to trick them up here. Let's go 99 hundredths. This is very important because now kids get really confused because they see 4 digits versus 2 digits and they're trying to put it all over the place. However, place value chart always lines your decimal up beautifully. So I'm going to start with my 2, which is in the ones place. There's 0 now in the tenths. I have no tenths. 8 hundredths, 1,000th. And then now I notice, okay, this is a decimal. So this 9 starts off not in the thousandths place, but in the tenths place. I know this 9 is in the hundredths place. And as I always say, I can add that filler of a 0 in that space right there. So now I can subtract here. And I always tell them when you're subtracting, think of like Skittles in your hand. So if I have 1 Skittle here, can I take 0 away? Yeah, I can. So therefore 1 minus 0 is 1. If I have 8 Skittles in my hand, can I take away 9 or give away 9? No, I can't. So I have to go borrow. I cannot borrow from the tens place. I borrow from the ones. This 1 now becomes, this 2 now becomes a 1. This 0 in the tens now becomes 10. All right. Now, if I have 10 Skittles, can I give away 9? Well, I can't do that yet because I have to go give that 1 to the hundreds place. So now this becomes an 18. If I have 18 Skittles, can I give away 9? Yes, I can have 9 Skittles left. If I have 9 Skittles, can I give 9 away? I sure can. I'm left with 0. I'm going to put my decimal and then my 1 just drops down. So my answer for this one is 1 and 91 thousandths. So that's just some adding and subtracting decimals. You can definitely play around with the numbers at home as best as you can, but that's the strategy that you should use until they feel very comfortable of putting it, stacking them up themselves. I would do this at least about 5, 6, 7 times and then start taking the chart away so they understand, all right, now I know where to line up my decimal. Have a good one.